What is up guys, WinLab here, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to get custom textures for Call of Duty 4, but the difference is you won't actually see them in-game, they're just for when you're watching the demo. So to reiterate, if you want to play with textures in-game, go to a different tutorial. This is for just while you're watching a demo back. Now this is probably useful for movie makers a bit more than players, but let's have a crack at it anyway. So firstly, you need to go to Google, and we're going to get a program called Cod4 Player. It's the first link. Just type Cod4 Player in search, and it's always the first link, cybopat.net. And just hit the download button right here. The whole program is 227 kilobytes, according to that bit there. There's no setup. That's the full program right there, fully extracted and everything, which is really good. So once you've downloaded that, it should just take 2 seconds. You can put the program anywhere you like, but I just recommend putting it in your Call of Duty 4 folder, because, I mean, why not? So once you open Cod4 Player, you'll get a screen like this. You need to go to the setup button here, and yours is going to look like this. So firstly, we need to tick this box, association of DM_1 extension. Now what this does is it basically makes Cod4 Player recognize your demos. So instead of doing the whole thing where you move the demo to your players folder and do dev map and then type in the console/demo and the name of your demo, this is just going to make it so that you can just double click the demo and your demo gets opened up straight away. It's fantastic. So that is that, and then you need to type in the game mods section, mod warfare. So what this does is basically when you do this double click thing for your demo, it's actually going to play the demo through the mod which you've typed in here, which in our case is mod warfare. I'll explain why mod warfare is used in a second, but that's all you need to know. So say you're using pro mod and you want to get rid of all the HUD and have no scope sway, you type in here ProMod Live 211 or whatever. But since it's custom skins, we're going to use Mod Warfare. Yep, so when you finish that, you can just click off Cod4 Player, and now we need to go to our Cod4 folder, and we have a demo obviously, so now you need to go to the mods folder, go to Mod Warfare, and you probably won't have these .tmp files here, but don't worry about them, you don't need them, they're just cache files. So the images folder here is where we're going to be putting our custom textures. So obviously we need some custom textures, so let's go to the magical world of the internet and get them right now. A good website is CFG Factory. They are probably gamebanana.com as well, but I don't really use that website. But yeah, CFG Factory is probably the best for mods and textures and everything you'd probably need for COD4. So you need to register an account with this website. It's completely safe, don't worry about that. Go to Modification Center, go to COD4, and here is like a list of all the different categories of every COD4 thing there is, basically every COD4 mod or texture. I mean, at least a lot of them. So let's just get a sky for the fun of it. Obviously you can do whatever category or skin you like, but here we go. So who cares, it's just a tutorial. So orange sunset, why not, let's get that, looks pretty nice. Hit the download button down here, and it should start downloading. Now I think in the demo, the sample demo I used an MP5, so why not, let's just get an MP5 skin as well. Junkyard MP5, who cares. Download that as well. The download button is located just below the screenshots. And that's downloaded there. So we are finished with CFG Factory. Now going back to the images folder in your Mod Warfare folder, in your COD4 folder, we need to get the textures we just downloaded and drop them in here to images. So find the CFG factory files you downloaded and just drag them in here to images. Now CFG factory gives us files out in the form of WinRAR files, so we need to extract them. So I'm just gonna click in, and here we go. So I'm just gonna take the files out and put them into images folder. Obviously I just did that a really weird way, but hang on, let me just show you. So you can just obviously right click and click extract here, and you'll get this file here. Now this is an archive file, so what you need to do is double click the archive file, click images, and here are the files here. So drag and drop them again into the images folder. I hope I'm being clear enough, by the way. Sorry if you're confused about this, guys. But yeah, once you've done that, that's all the textures you'll need. Now my sky was actually a ProMod based sky, meaning it's a sky only compatible with ProMod maps. So if you've got a sky that's compatible with every map, you're going to have a really long list of skins. But don't worry, nothing crazy is happening if your list is way longer than mine. But go back out of there, and this make mod batch file here, you just need to double click that, and it's basically converting the texture files into the game, I suppose. I don't really know how this bit works, but it just does its thing, and there you go. So press any key to continue when it's finished. Let's do that. And yep, we've basically implemented the textures into the Mod Warfare mod. So when we open our demo using Call of Duty 4 Player through Mod Warfare, you're going to see the demos with the custom textures that are in the Mod Warfare folder. I don't know if you know what I mean by that, but yeah. So we're pretty much finished now. All you need to do is go into the, or wherever your demos are. I don't know. I just keep my demos here. But so since you've done that with Call of Duty 4, the association of DM1 extension thing, you can actually just double click the demo now and it'll open up. And since we've typed in Mod Warfare on the thing, what am I calling it? The little dialog box on COD4 Player, you can actually see it here, Mod Warfare. So whenever it loads, and as you can see, we have got custom skies and custom MP5 texture, which is pretty cool. So now you need to record your demo, obviously, and start editing. I don't know, whatever you want to do with it. But yeah, there is your custom skins in your demo. Now when you go back in to play the game on your regular profile, there will be none of these custom skins. So you have custom skins in your demo, and that is brilliant. So I hope this tutorial has been clear enough, because I don't think it is. Sure, hey, I'll just upload it and see what happens. So thank you guys for watching. My name is WinLab. Drop a like if you found this tutorial helpful, even though you probably haven't. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I will see you later.